From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, for the first time in 10 days, we don't have a heat advisory or an excessive heat warning in effect for Acadiana. Still going to be on the hot side. It's still going to be humid, and the heat index is still over 100. But that stinking hot heat is gone for much of this week. But it could be back next week. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Let's take a look, though, at this upper level pattern as we look at the water vaporimetry and the general features at 500 millibars. This is 18,000 feet or so. And the ridge of high pressure that was dominating over us is now pretty much edged over toward Florida. So that's opened up the door for a little bit in the way of higher level moisture coming from the Pacific, also from the Gulf of Mexico. So that's adding to one, with the absence of high pressure, a little bit more atmospheric instability, and then a little bit more moisture in the area, and poof, we have widely scattered showers and thunder showers today, maybe a little bit more coverage tomorrow. And as the week wears on, we're going to see better rain chances as this little bit of a frontal trough to the north is going to work its way southward, so the moisture is going to concentrate over us more so. I don't look for big soakers near term, a few brief soakers here and there today, tomorrow, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, those soakers could be really some really good soakers and last for a while, and we do need the much needed rain. Now, on the regional Doppler radars this afternoon, the most active storms in the northern part of the state, right along and south of the I-20 corridor. And here in Acadiana, not a whole lot going on. We're picking up a few widely scattered showers over toward Baton Rouge, the other side of the Chaffalay Basin, and a little bit of a thunder shower showing up here in extreme southwestern portions of Evangeline Parish. Locally, Scott, Youngsville, Broussard, wherever we're having celebrations tonight and tomorrow night, looks relatively quiet going into the evening, so that is the good news there. So as we take a look at our model data and put it in motion, again, more clouds overnight tonight. Our temperature still warm, still humid, at heat index still in the 90s generally overnight tonight. Rain chance, though, down to near zero, but we'll pick up maybe a few spotty showers in the morning and then widely scattered activity in the afternoon. Weather Service going higher on their rain chances than I am. I'm holding it at about 30 or 40% tomorrow. We'll still get into the mid-90s, mind you. And then as we head into tomorrow evening, looks to quiet down for all your fireworks displays. And then Wednesday, we're going to see better coverage of showers and storms, at least more cloud cover, and that's going to limit our highs. So that is the good news there. Temperature-wise, overnight tonight, we're looking at about 80 for the overnight low. Many locations, upper 70s, lower 80s. So no important changes there. Tomorrow, we still manage to get into the 90s, but it'll be closer to the low to mid 90s. So your fourth, not too bad. That heat index probably maxing out at about 105, 106 today, got up to about 107 or so. And then as we head into tomorrow evening, if you're popping off some fireworks, and again, please be careful with them, temperatures in the middle 80s. And then as we head toward Wednesday morning, back near 84 a start. And Wednesday afternoon, notice a little bit more yellow across the area. We may actually have a hard time reaching 90 degrees. We'll take that. And the feels like temperature may be below 100. So a nice break in the days ahead. So overnight tonight, warm and humid with a full buck supermoon out there. This is the first of 4 supermoons, and of course we're going to have all the fireworks displays going on across the area, so enjoy that. Be careful. Once again, have a bucket of water ready to go. Later on tonight it should be quiet, and then you guys are popping off fireworks at 1 or 2 in the morning. You're going to get the dad look from me. I'm going to come out, take a look, and talk to you a little bit. And then as we head into tomorrow, we're looking at about 93 for a high, scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Rain chance generous, I think, at 40%, but by the afternoon hours, I think we see some locally heavy downpours, some cloud to ground lightning. And remember, lightning is the #1 killer in July. Here we are in July. More people are outdoors tomorrow, so be careful when you hear when you hear the thunder roars. It's time to get indoors, as we say. As we move into the 10-day forecast, we'll see those increasing rain chances, 60% or better Thursday and/or Friday. Some nice downpours there, and then rain chances gradually toned down as the weekend comes, and then going into next week, could it be heat wave part 3? We're not sure yet, but those temperatures will be climbing once again as rain chances drop back down. So we're starting off summer on a hot note, hottest June on record, and let's see how July goes. But at least we have some showers for the first week.
Definitely needed at this point.
Exactly.
Thank you, Rob.